Here's part 2 of chapter 8. Always remember, the constructive criticism that your true friends provide you with is coming from a place of love, respect, and the genuine desire to see you become better. They may not always be right, but at least you know they're willing to disagree with you if they feel your actions conflict with your vision for a better life. The individuals who are part of my inner circle have no problem telling me about myself. They do it all the time with no punches held. What they say may hurt at times, but I don't take it personal because the constructive criticism they provide is for my benefit, and they only want to see me do my best, be my best self. Without accountability, you will continue to do the same things over and over again that cause you to remain stagnant and potentially lead you down a destructive path. When no one is checking on you or being honest with you, you're operating under the assumption that everything you do is right. Not one person on this earth is perfect. I don't know it all. You don't know it all. Thus, we can all benefit from the insight of others. Just like it's necessary to take inventory of your thoughts, it's also necessary to take inventory of the people you surround yourself with. Those who encourage you, push you to do better, offer constructive criticism, and add value to your life are only the people you should be interacting with. Elevation requires separation. On your path to achieving your goals, make the conscious decision to leave behind negativity, toxicity, and stagnation. Only surround yourself with people who can assist you on your journey and serve as a positive reinforcement in the pursuit of your best life.